Have you ever looked at your bank account at the end of the month and thought, wait, where did all my money go? Yeah, me too. It's like magic, but the bad kind. Today, Max and I are going to teach you simple, practical ways to save money and budget like a pro. And you'll learn tons of useful English phrases about money along the way. Trust me, by the end of this episode, your wallet and your English will thank you. Let's do this.
Hey everyone, thanks for listening to our videos. You're listening to Mr. Englishman. I'm Max, and with me here is the always amazing Lily.
Hey, thanks, Max. And hello to all of you wonderful learners out there.
So, Lily, today we're talking about money, specifically how to save it and how to budget it.
Exactly. And I know what some of you are thinking. Ugh, budgeting sounds boring. But guess what? It doesn't have to be. Plus, talking about money is super useful in English. Whether you're traveling, living abroad, or just chatting with friends, you need to know these words and phrases.
Right. And here's our promise to you today. By the end of this episode, you will know easy ways to save money, you'll understand how to make a simple budget, and you'll be able to talk about money confidently in English.
We'll also give you fun examples, real-life situations, and some phrases you can use right away. Sound good?
Perfect. Let's jump in.
Okay, first things first. Let's learn some basic money vocabulary. Max, what's the most important word?
Well, obviously, money.
Duh! But seriously, let's go over a few keywords. Listen carefully, everyone. Money. That's the general word. You can say, I need to save money, or I don't have much money right now.
Good. Next, we have cash. Cash means physical money, like bills and coins. For example, do you have any cash? This shop doesn't take cards.
Nice example. Then we have budget. A budget is a plan for how you will spend your money. I made a budget for this month.
Love it. And here's a big one. Save. To save money means to keep it, not spend it. I'm trying to save money for a vacation.
Exactly. And the opposite, spend. To spend money means to use it to buy things. I spent too much money on coffee this week.
Oh, guilty. I spend way too much on coffee.
Same. Okay, one more. Afford. If you can afford something, it means you have enough money to buy it. I can't afford a new phone right now.
Perfect. So, everyone, repeat after me. Money, cash, budget, save, spend, afford.
Great job! Those are your money basics. Now let's talk about why budgeting is so important.
So, Lily, why should people make a budget? I mean, some people just live, right? They spend what they have.
True, but here's the problem. If you don't have a plan, your money just disappears. You buy a coffee here, a snack there, maybe some new shoes, and then boom, you're broke.
Broke means you have no money, by the way.
Exactly. So a budget helps you see where your money goes. It helps you control your spending. And most importantly, it helps you save for things you really want or need.
Right. Like maybe you want to travel or buy a car or just have some emergency money in case something bad happens.
Yes, emergency money is so important. Life is unpredictable. Your phone breaks, your car needs repairs, you get sick. These things happen. And if you don't have savings, those situations become super stressful.
Exactly. So a budget gives you control and peace of mind. You know where your money is and you feel more confident.
I love that. Okay, so how do we actually make a budget?
Ooh, great question. Making a budget is actually really simple. There are just 3 steps.
Ooh, I love simple steps. What's step 1?
Step 1, know your income. Income is the money you earn from your job, your business, whatever. You need to know how much money comes in every month.
Right. So for example, let's say you earn $2,000 a month. That's your income.
Perfect example. Step 2, list your expenses. Expenses are the things you spend money on. This includes rent, food, transportation, phone bills, everything.
Okay, so you write down Rent, $800. Food, $300. Transportation, $150, and so on.
Exactly. Be honest and write down everything, even small things like coffee or snacks.
Right, because those small things add up.
Yes! Okay, step 3. Subtract your expenses from your income. So income minus expenses. If you have money left over, great. That's money you can save.
And if you don't have money left over?
Then you need to cut your expenses. Spend less on things you don't really need.
Makes sense. So, to recap, know your income, list your expenses, subtract expenses from income. Easy.
Super easy. And once you do this, you'll feel so much more in control. Okay, everyone, quick question. Have you ever tried to save money, but failed? Like you had good intentions, but then you just spent it all anyway?
Yeah, I think we've all been there.
Well, here's the thing. Most people fail at saving because they don't have a clear plan. They just say, I'll save whatever's left at the end of the month.
And guess what? There's never anything left.
Exactly. So we're about to share some super practical tips that actually work. Stick with us. This is where it gets good.
All right, let's talk about saving. Here are 5 easy, practical ways to save money. And trust me, these really work.
Number 1, pay yourself first.
Ooh, this is my favorite. What does that mean, Max?
It means that as soon as you get paid, you take a portion of your money and put it directly into savings. Don't wait until the end of the month. Do it immediately.
Yes. So, for example, if you earn $2,000, you might save $200 right away. Then you budget with the remaining $1,800.
Exactly. This way you're not tempted to spend that $200. It's already saved.
I love this tip. Okay, number 2, track your spending.
What does that mean?
It means you write down everything you buy, every coffee, every snack, every purchase. You can use an app, a notebook, whatever works for you.
Why is this important?
Because when you see where your money goes, you'll be shocked. You'll realize, wow, I spent $100 on coffee this month? That's crazy.
Yeah, tracking makes you more aware. And awareness leads to better decisions.
Exactly. Okay, number 3, cut unnecessary expenses.
This is a big one. Look at your list of expenses and ask yourself, do I really need this?
Right. Maybe you have 3 streaming subscriptions, but you only watch one. Cancel the other 2. That's easy savings.
Or maybe you eat out 5 times a week. Try cooking at home more often. You'll save a ton of money.
Yes, small changes make a big difference. Okay, number 4, use the 24-hour rule.
Ooh, I like this one. What's the 24-hour rule?
It's simple. Before you buy something expensive or unnecessary, wait 24 hours. Give yourself a full day to think about it.
And usually after 24 hours, you realize you don't really need it.
Exactly. It stops impulse buying. Impulse buying is when you buy something suddenly, without thinking.
Yeah, like when you see a cool jacket and think, I need this right now.
Yes. But if you wait a day, you might think, actually, I don't need another jacket.
Smart. Okay, last one. Number 5, set a specific savings goal.
This is so important. Don't just say, I want to save money. Say, I want to save $1,000 for a vacation by December.
Right. When you have a clear goal, you're more motivated. You know exactly why you're saving.
Yes, and you can track your progress. Every month, you see yourself getting closer to your goal. It feels amazing.
Love it. Okay, let's recap those 5 tips. Everyone, listen and repeat in your mind. Pay yourself first. Track your spending. Cut unnecessary expenses. Use the 24-hour rule. Set a specific savings goal.
If you do even just 2 or 3 of these, you'll see a huge difference in your finances.
And your English will improve too, because now you know how to talk about money confidently.
All right, everyone. Now let's practice some real conversations about money. This is where you get to use the phrases we learned.
Yes, we'll do a few role plays and you can repeat after us, or imagine yourself in these situations. Ready? Let's go. Situation 1. You're talking to a friend about your budget. Lily, you start.
Okay. Hey, Max, I'm trying to save money this month. Do you have any tips?
Yeah, I think you should track your spending. Write down everything you buy.
That's a good idea. I spend way too much on food.
Same here. Maybe we should cook at home more often.
Definitely. Let's do it.
Nice. Okay, everyone, your turn. Imagine a friend asks you for money advice. What would you say? Try saying out loud, you should track your spending.
Great. Okay, situation 2. You're at a store and you want to buy something, but it's expensive. Max, you're the friend.
Okay. Lily, look at this jacket. It's so cool. Should I buy it?
Well, how much is it?
It's $150.
That's a lot. Can you afford it?
I mean, I have the money, but I'm trying to save for a trip.
Then maybe wait. Use the 24-hour rule. Think about it for a day.
You're right. Thanks, Lily.
Perfect. Okay, everyone, repeat. Can you afford it? And use the 24-hour rule.
Awesome. One more situation. This time, you're talking to yourself. You're checking your bank account at the end of the month.
Ooh, this is a common one. Wait, where did all my money go? I don't understand.
We've all been there. I need to make a budget. I need to stop spending so much.
Next month, I'll pay myself first. I'll save money before I spend anything.
Yes, and I'll cut unnecessary expenses. No more daily coffee shop visits.
Good plan. I can do this.
Perfect. Okay, everyone, your turn. Imagine you're making a plan to save. Say out loud, I'll pay myself first. I'll cut unnecessary expenses.
Excellent. These are real, natural phrases you can use every day.
All right, before we wrap up, we have one more super helpful tip. It's called the 50-30-20 rule.
Ooh, I love this rule. It's so simple and effective.
Okay, here's how it works. You divide your income into 3 categories.
Category 1, 50% for needs. Needs are things you must have, like rent, food, transportation, bills.
Right, so if you earn $2,000, you spend $1,000 on needs.
Category 2, 30% for wants. Wants are things you enjoy but don't need, like eating out, hobbies, entertainment, shopping.
So that's $600 for fun stuff.
And category 3, 20% for savings. This is money you save or use to pay off debt.
So that's $400 going into your savings account every month.
Exactly. The 50-30-20 rule is a simple way to balance your spending and saving. You take care of your needs, enjoy your life, and still save for the future.
I love this rule because it's flexible. If you need to save more, you can adjust it to 50-20-30 or even 50-10-40.
Right. The point is to have a system that works for you.
Perfect. Okay, everyone, repeat. 50% for needs, 30% for wants, 20% for savings.
If you follow this rule, you'll be in great financial shape.
All right, we're almost at the end, but stick with us for just 2 more minutes. We're about to recap everything you learned today, plus we have a fun little challenge for you.
Yes, don't go anywhere. You're going to love this.
Okay, let's recap. Today we talked about money, how to save it, how to budget it, and how to talk about it in English.
First, we learned key vocabulary: money, cash, budget, save, spend, afford. These are your money basics.
Then we talked about why budgeting is important. It helps you control your spending, save for goals, and feel less stressed about money.
We also shared 3 simple steps to make a budget. Know your income, list your expenses, subtract expenses from income.
After that, we gave you 5 easy ways to save money. Number 1, pay yourself first.
Number 2, track your spending.
Number 3, cut unnecessary expenses.
Number 4, use the 24-hour rule.
And number 5, set a specific savings goal.
We also practice real conversations about money, so you can use these phrases in everyday life.
And finally, we shared the 50-30-20 rule, a super simple way to divide your income between needs, wants, and savings.
If you follow even just a few of these tips, you'll see a huge difference in your finances.
And your English will improve too, because now you know how to talk about money confidently.
Okay, everyone, we're so proud of you for making it to the end of this episode. Seriously, you're doing amazing.
And here's the thing. Saving money and budgeting might feel hard at first, but it gets easier. Just take it one step at a time.
Exactly. Start small. Maybe this week, just track your spending. Next week, make a simple budget. Little by little, you'll build great habits.
And remember, it's not about being perfect. It's about making progress.
Yes, every dollar you save is a win. Every smart decision you make is a step forward.
We believe in you. You can do this.
Absolutely. Now, we want to hear from you. Go to the comments and tell us, which tip will you try first? Pay yourself first, track your spending, cut expenses. Let us know.
And if you have any money-saving tips of your own, share them. We'd love to hear your ideas.
Also, if you enjoyed this episode, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share it with a friend who's learning English.
Yes, sharing is caring, people.
Okay, before we go, here's a little teaser. Next time, we're going to talk about how to talk about your job in English, how to describe what you do, how to talk about your work experience, and how to sound confident in professional conversations.
It's going to be super useful, so don't miss it.
All right, everyone, thanks so much for listening. Keep practicing, keep learning, and keep being awesome.
See you next time.
Bye.